What's that?
Alright, just hold it. Keep your finger away from the front.
That good?
I'll get focused on what I'm doing.
Alright.
And
Look through it. Nice.
This ain't this old house, it's my old house. I always wanted to be one of those guys on the TV.
I bet you they make big bucks, huh? This is Dan, everybody. Even though this ain't gonna come out, I'm just gonna say it anyway. I'm taping him destructing my... Oh my god, that was so easy.
Just in the back. Not a start.
Good start. They made this from scratch, you think, huh?
Yeah.
No kidding. Here's Dan destroying my old vanity. I finally remembered the word. I'm getting out of his way. He works quick and fast, as you can see. Dan, why don't I open that door? Yeah. Yeah. We're going to let the flies in. Oh, yeah.
So what they did is they painted over it.
Oh, okay.
So you can either, we can either do the same or put something else.
Probably paint over it.
Main objective today is to get the floor down.
Okay.
One Phillips and one.
Oh yeah, these people were real hammer mechanics. They did everything as cheaply and as inexpensively as they could. I thought this camera got busted. How'd you fix it?
I melted it.
Yeah.
Did everything to it. I still got it on.
Nice.
A little $80 camera, you know.
Yeah.
Now the GoPros, they go for
A couple $100, right?
Yeah.
$300 maybe?
something like that. And they're probably nicer, but that works for me.
This works fantastic.
It's a survivor.
Oh wow.
I don't want to drag it across your floor.
Want me to carry it with you?
Grab the front.
Oops.
Put it this way a little bit. The door's open. There we go. Fast and easy.
Get that fan out of the way. There we go. Sure, it ain't my yet.
Keep an eye on that battery level.
Okay. It's full now.
After I get the pull it out, I'll have a smoke break.
You got that? Here, hold on. Well, if you don't want it, just tell her you don't want it. She's she'll get rid of it somewhere else.
Oh, she's got three.
Yeah, I know. I know, Dad. I know. Try to be up. It's a bigger couch than 80 inches. I'll tell you that much. Oh yeah, it's definitely bigger than 80 inches. It's probably more around the same size as mine. Yeah. I don't know if it's bigger. I haven't measured it. Well, I lifted it, and I'm not supposed to lift over 50 pounds, and I lifted it myself. I mean, not myself. I lifted it with Lisa's brother. Yeah, so it ain't that bad. Okay. All right, bye. To get my couch off my mother-in-law. They're all worried about it being too big.
Oh, yeah?
I think I'm gonna go up there with her. I'm like, I'm not going up there with you. I gotta stay here. I got Dan here working on my bathroom.
What are you doing?
I'm filming Dan.
You're making coffee, that's what you're doing.
Come on. Be a good sport.
Hey Dan, what's up?
Not much, how you doing?
Alright.
Just having fun, that's all.
Hey.
You go check the couch out yet?
Boy, it's here, fucking crap, I can't stand it. Steve, I decided what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take your couch. This
No.
right here. And you can have the other one.
I don't care.
I mean, this one.
Oh no, you're not taking that one.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not.
Fuck, I ain't. What do you think, the two of you can slap me? Still lies on the ground. Doing it. Yeah, huh? Oh, that's a good couch too. You can't come up with me for 2 minutes?
hold on. Hello? No, I'm busy helping Dan. Watch out, Bill.
No, I'm not watching out. Giving him some constructive fucking
Yes,
talk in here.
Ready?
I'm ready.
You.
Dan's smashing apart our toilet. You hear it?
Hey, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Not here, you're not.
I gotta go right now.
How's that sound, honey? No, I have to take pictures of it. Okay, bye. Jesus Christ. She's like annoyed that I have to take pictures of it. Fucking woman. You can keep that part on the tape, Dan.
That's it?
No, the fucking woman.
You got a cardboard box?
Yeah, you want one?
Get out of bed. I can do that, I'm fucking doing something.
This too big?
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
battery look?
Pretty good. Still about 3/4.
Focus on what I'm doing, not me.
Okay.
You gotta teach you how to take video. So when I go on my next job, you can come.
All right, cool. Videographer.
Yep.
That's one ugly toilet, people.
Yeah, imagine it's been a while.
Hey, that ass out of the way so I can see. I like that photography. You gotta break the other part too, or?
Huh?
You gotta break the other part?
The ball, no, I'll just carry that out.
You just gotta fucking unscrew it, huh? Yeah.
It's easier just to break the tank than screw around with it for 3 hours. So the bolts are all rusted in place, you know? And how to get out.
Dan knows what he's doing.
Yes.
Dan's a professional.
I know a lot of professionals, but they just sit down and watch things. It's like, yeah, I'll do it. I'll do that. No problem. I get it. Yeah. Hey, all right. Well.
Do this kind of stuff all day long.
So that's his job, man.
But you know, sometimes I'll just replace a faucet or just a toilet or
Right.
wax seal. Or,
You're walking around a building and fucking somebody says, hey, you know.
yeah, they call the office and say, oh, my toilet's fucking clogged. Or some bullshit like that.
That's a good job, Dean. That's a good job. When did you learn that by yourself, or did you go to school at all?
Well, I used to work for, well, first I was a donut maker.
Okay.
I worked for Dunkin' Donuts at night.
Yeah.
Making the Dunkin' Donuts.
Yeah.
The donut man.
Then I went to work for Cowboys. Started building their bicycles and their furniture. You know, the big furniture displays.
Yeah.
Moving all the gondolas around,
Oh, no shit.
the display shelves and stuff.
Really?
Then I got a call that they wanted a maintenance man in the building. So yeah, sure, I'll try it out.
Oh, so you learned it as you went.
Yeah, I learned from a guy that had been doing it for 30 years.
Yeah.
So I absorbed
You
everything.
just stayed with him.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So he left the company and now I know everything I need to know.
Awesome. Here goes Dan, the tough guy. It's my ugly brother Billy.
All right. Well.
Just go up there, tell her you want to take a look at it.
I don't want to go.
Oh, Bill.
I need some fucking asshole to go with me. Well,
Dan, can you do without me for a couple of minutes?
Yeah, part time anyway.
Okay.
How about a couple hours?
No, no, no.
How about a couple days?
It's break time?
Right time.
Oh my God, I can't believe how fast you did that.